Last month, during a rehearsal for a Chinese airshow, two multirotor eVTOLs from Xpeng's AeroHT flying car division collided. Though no one was injured, the optics of the resulting fiery crash, which was captured on video, may have been just the thing to spur Xpeng to rebrand AeroHT. Before the accident, the eVTOL company had set upon an ambitious path. In an era of air taxis and hypersonic transport, AeroHT revealed a street-legal, fold-out flying supercar concept. On top of that, the company's land aircraft carrier, featuring 6 wheels and a Cybertruck-inspired van design, was built as a 2-seat eVTOL. And to test the design, the company even flew people around in it. Deliveries on orders to own one were planned to begin this year at a price of $280,000. But now, following this airshow blunder, the Xpeng company is rerouting, and doing so under a new name, Aridge. Aridge has already announced a new long-range tilt-rotor eVTOL under the name AeroHT, which bears resemblance to Joby's S4 eVTOL. But Aridge seeks to beat their urban air mobility competitor in performance, topping ranges of more than 300 miles, as well as adding another seat, whereas Joby's model only has 5. Aridge seeks to make controls for the AeroHT both physically and autonomously controllable. Aiding Aridge's autonomous side, according to New Atlas, China is not only the first country in the world to fully certify the commercial use of eVTOL air taxis, but it's also already certified EHang's eVTOL to fly without pilots on board. However, the FAA and EASA are taking a more conservative approach when it comes to certifying autonomous flight. Either way, the AeroHT must undergo rigorous design, development, and testing to prevent the fiery outcome that befell its predecessor.